Hi everyone, I'm here without my right hand man Zach, but I just thought I would do a little video as long as I had the opportunity. So you just saw some stones that I think are being discarded there. I'm on the East Street side now, and you see most of the fencing is down, and people keep asking, well, what more needs to be done? They think when the scaffolding is down, everything is done. Well, this goes into the southern part of the nave, right by the amble pulpit. You can see what all needs to be done yet. And it's pretty much like this on all of these openings on this side. So there's work to be done yet, but the hope is by ordinations that at least the plaza will be open. So keep praying that we get this done. Thanks everybody. St. Joseph the Workman, pray for us.